So last night I was talking to a client, and I've been talking about the new oil that I have that I am soon to release. And they inquired about it and they wanted some. And so I was like, oh my God, I really have to hurry up and release this new oil. Um, but I'm not quite ready yet. And I just wanted to clarify who Beautiful Hair Products is for. So I have sister locks, and my sister locks are low density. I consider them low density. And I have that 4C hair, and they typically are dry, right? And so that's why Beautiful Hair Products is so magnificent for what I go through and what others that have hair like me go through. It actually moisturizes your hair. And so when I come out with this oil, you are going to love it for those who have slow growing, typically dry hair, low density, right? And I've been telling you all about this spot here on the side. If you go back and look at my videos, you will see that this spot has always been, really light, right, and really bald. And so now I have hair here, but like I told that person, I do not claim that your hair is going to grow back, right? That your hair is going to grow. It has for me, although the new oil has definitely stimulated my follicles and hair has started growing in that spot. I can't promise you that it will do the same for you, but what I can do is offer a solution for you that may have that same problem. And so I want to encourage you to seriously consider just really looking at the oil when it does come out, and really considering following all the directions. I have a video that I've already made. It hasn't been released yet on how to use it, things like that. So when it does come out, I hope that you follow the directions and you will get the results that I have gotten and so many others have who are testing it out. Beautiful Hair Products are especially for those who typically have hair like mine, typically dry. As I travel, I take my products with me as well. I take the travel size products, and I use them sparingly, and they last me. Like just before I left, I rubbed some of the new oil in my scalp and on my hair, and it just brightened it up. And I know I have this gray hair, but you can still see how my hair is. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that the new oil will be released hopefully in May and next month, and I can't wait to share it with you because it has been wonderful for me and for those who are testing it out, and for the couple of people that wanted to purchase it privately, right? But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that, and make sure that you get your Beautiful Hair Products for those who wear sister locks.